Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Group 5. Want to present about our group project, which is Maxis Berhad. We have 5 group members. The first is Muhammad Naziro bin Zuki, 285469. The second is myself, Tengku Muhammad Al-Amin bin Tengku Kasim, 285486. And next is Muhammad Khidir bin Muhammad Zain, 285442. Next is Ong Chi Hyong, 285441. And lastly, Tan Yu Kin, 28547. Maxis Berhad makes tools for telephones and the internet. It gives business internet, integrated digital network, business telephone service, voice augmentation, and fiber internet. This company also provide electronic short message service, which is ESMS, mobile points of sale, and post payment service. Other than that, it provides local fixed line networks with phones and internet service, as well as a foreign gateway network with service for connecting networks across the border. So, Maxis is the top connected solution company in Malaysia. It offers voice, data, and solution are all examples of high-quality digital service. As technology changes how we talk to each other and how we get service like shopping, banking, and entertainment, then Maxis continues to change its products and service by using its strong mobile deals. Secondly, we also want to make sure that our customers have the best experience possible by only having to talk to one person. By giving our customer warranty, flexible and custom tailored mobile and fixed connection and solution, this help them adapt them and manage their life in a world that is becoming more digitalized. Lastly, we think that as a company strive to grow and improve through technology, the full potential of both physical links and businesses should be used. In other words, our end-to-end business goods, which are built on our better mobile link, now includes fixed connection and coverage solutions like control services, the cloud, and the Internet of Things (IoT). Maxis' vision is to be the market leader in Malaysia for integrated service. Maxis' mission is connectivity, service, and solution that prioritize people above technology, provide an unparalleled level of individualization, one that is always intuitive, simple to find, and specialized to each individual preferences. Okay, next for the Maxis organization structure. So, in the picture above, we can see there have a 3 level of structure. The first is for the CEO, and the second level is for CFO, CMO, CIO, CHRO, and the third level is Chief Corporate Affairs Officer, Chief Technology Strategy Officer, Chief Network Officer, and lastly, Chief Sales and Service Officer.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nazir bin Zuki and my metric number is 285469. Now I would like to present about Maxis' achievement. Firstly, the empowering connectivity and driving innovation. Maxis Berhad, Malaysia's largest telecommunication operator, has revolutionized global communication and innovation. It was founded in 1993. The company has contributed to the consumer happiness technical developments and the social responsibility in the telecommunications sector. Second is the customer certification. The Maxis Berhad excel in customer satisfaction, offering tailored solution and exceptional service, earning accolades and gaining the trust among millions of the Malaysian consumer. An achievement for Maxis also in a technological advancement. Maxis Berhad is a leading provider of cutting-edge solution and innovative service, including Malaysia's first 4G LTE network and the embracing 5G, IoT, and also AI technologies. Addition, enterprise solution, Maxis Berhad is a trusted corporate partner offering enterprise solution for a digital transformation including cloud computing, data analytics, cybersecurity, and managed service, streamlining processes and increasing productivity in the digital economy. And the last one is about social responsibility. Maxis Berhad is a responsible corporate citizen participating in CSR project for education, community development, and also environmental sustainability. The company's success in the telecommunication market is attributed to the customer happiness, technical innovation, and also a social responsibility. Now we move on to the Maxis project. Firstly, the network infrastructure upgrades. The firm will invest in updating and extending its network infrastructure in a certain location utilizing cutting-edge technology will provide the quicker and more reliable broadband service. The second project from the Maxis is the fiber optic deployment. Maxis Berhad will prioritize the implementation of the fiber optic technology in the underserved region in the order to deliver high-speed internet access in order to meet the rising demand for the bench-wide intensive application. And the last one from the Maxis project is the Community Digital Hub. Is underprivileged neighborhood digital hub will be constructed in a key location. This hub will be center for the digital skill training, entrepreneurial developments, and also online resource. Now I would like to tell you about company social responsibility. Firstly is education initiative. Maxis E-Class CSR program aim to bring digital gap, improve education access to underprivileged Malaysians through technology and internet resources. Second is about community development. Maxis Berhad support community development through sponsorship, partnership, and initiatives like healthcare, youth development, women empowerment, and entrepreneurship, aiming to improve community, generate sustainable livelihood, and promote inclusive growth. Next is about environmental sustainability. Maxis Berhad prioritize environmental sustainability through energy efficiency, waste reduction, ethical e-waste management, and rising environmental awareness. And the last one is about employment volunteerism. Maxis Berhad promote volunteerism among employees, fostering a culture of change and positive impact through social program and skill-based volunteering.
Political factor: government intervention and policies influence Maxis' business environment. Military policies and political instability can threaten the business environment. Compliance with World Trade Organization regulations affect Maxis. Maxis needs to pay attention to government priorities and anticipate industry threats. Changes in tax policies and carbon footprint control impact Maxis. Economy factor: tax rate, inflation rate, interest rate, and exchange rate affect Maxis. Access to financing market and scalar labor benefit Maxis in Malaysia. Government spending, stable demand, and increased investment contribute to economic stability. Globalization and use of local resources contribute to Maxis' economic performance. Social factor: income inequality among Malaysians impacts the power structure. Attitude through health and safety may become lessons, which Maxis should avoid. Changing gender norms require Maxis to cater to evolving roles in Malaysian society. Maxis should build a team aware of societal norms to become servant Malaysian clients. Technological factor: technological advancements reduce production and service costs. Intellectual property rights and users' experience enhancement impact Maxis' competitiveness. Monitoring competitor technological implementations provide valuable insights. Fight for market share by adopting the latest technology in the communication service sector. Environmental factor: environmental standards and customer awareness influence product innovations. Compliance with the Paris Climate Agreement and environmental standards is required. Increasing operating costs due to regular environmental review. Waste management norms become important for Maxis, particularly in urban areas. Legal factor: compliance with health and safety norms and environmental law is necessary. Consideration of time required for specific legal cases in international markets. Data protection law and mechanisms to prevent breaches are crucial. Adequate legal protection for intellectual property influence Maxis decisions.
SWOD, Maxis strength, strong and diversified supply chains in multi-countries, diversified revenue streams and presence in every vertical of the communication service industry, efficient outsourcing and offshoring strategy, learning organization with a focus on exploration, creativity and expansion, open and collaborative workplace culture, massive winners, limited ability to deal with innovative competitors, uneven compensation and incentive structure, slow in exploring new communication channels, excessive reliance on the existing supply chains, massive opportunities, reconfiguration of the global supply chains due to the US-China trade war, leveraging the analytics and machine learning for a competitive advance. Dash. Compassion of 5G technology in the marketing communication space, adapting to changing customer preferences and collaborating with business partners. Message trace, delineating customer confidence and its impact on demands. Trade war between China and the US affecting massive opportunities. Technology disruption such as hacking and data breaches. Regulatory changes and increased scrutiny on large corporations.
TOWS. SO strategies. Establish a multi-category supply chain to source products at competitive price. Invest in analytic technology to leverage data for market strategy and consumer insights. Anti-light offshoring strategy and 5G expansion to access global market and reach customers. Foster a learning organization culture to encourage innovation and collaboration with business partners. SD strategies. Manage supply distribution by allocating resources based on consumer demands. Generate additional revenue from diversified revenue streams in different countries and areas. Utilize joint business partners to ensure secure transfer of customer data in case of hacking. Emphasize transparency and open discussion to address concerns raised by consumer protection groups. WO strategies leverage the reconfigured supply chains to counter competition from new entrants. Restructure compensation and incentive to eliminate in inequalities and improve employee satisfaction. Capitalize on the dependence of 5G to explore new communication channels and enhance marketing efforts. Seek new collaboration to reduce dependence on the existing supply chains and adapt to changing business models. WT strategies adjust production volume based on the line consumer demand to avoid overstocking. Implement effective measures such as acquiring more business through the supply chain or hiring experts. Establish a secure communication channel to protect customer data from hacking and sabotage. Stay informed and proactive in any anticipating and complying with regulatory changes in the industry.
Hi, I am Muhammad Kidir. Now I want to talk about recommendation and solution for Maxis company. These are all 5 recommendations we provide to Maxis company. After careful analysis discussion, we recommend expand its supply chain as solution to increase brand visibility. Maxis may have the chance to create the multicultural supply network by accepting the reconfiguration of the global supply chain. This business may save shipping costs and lead times while also adjusting to regional tastes and market needs by sourcing items closer to the market. For instance, like get the best newest technologies for compete with other telecom companies. Next is making the integration of analytics and machine learning interactive. By harnessing the power of analytics, Maxis can leverage data to drive faster go-to-market strategies, gaining a competitive edge in industry through advanced analytic techniques such as predictive modeling and customer segmentation. Maxis can uncover valuable insights to customer behavior, preference, and needs. Furthermore, machine learning plays a vital role in optimizing various aspects of telco company cooperation. For instance, machine learning algorithms can be employed to analyze network performance data in real time, identifying potential issues or predicting future outages. Next strategy advice that coincides with the changing telecom business environment is to expand in 5G technologies. Maxis may position itself as pioneer in offering innovative communication services by embracing the development of 5G. Maxis can provide customers with modern products and services including immersive virtual reality experiences, smart home solutions, and improved mobile gaming capabilities thanks to the greater bandwidth and decrease the latency of 5G. Maxis will grow in new communication services, also give it a competitive edge over rivals and open up new source of income. After considering all the factors, we recommend strengthening cybersecurity to give complexity of cyber attacks. Due to the private consumer information and private network infrastructure, it has the telecom sector is a top target for hackers. Maxis is able to safeguard consumer data and maintain the confidence of its stakeholders by giving priority strong cybersecurity procedures. To protect sensitive information while it's being sent, Maxis may, for example, invest in secure communication channels like virtual private network (VPN) and encrypted messaging platforms. To remain ahead of developing cyber threats, security mechanisms such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems must be updated often. Maxis should also work with cybersecurity specialists. Afterwards, monetary and regulatory environment. With new rules and regulations being enacted to protect consumer rights and privacy, the regulatory environment around consumer protection and data security is always changing. Maxis can show its dedication to compliance and guarantee the safety of its consumers' data by regularly monitoring these rules and keeping up with any changes. This active participation also aids the business in avoiding risks and difficulties that might result from non-compliance. In conclusion, because of the services and goods they provide, Maxis continue to be a top-performing telecommunications firm in the sector. Maxis should concentrate on important areas including developing a solid supply chain, combining analytics and innovation, expanding into new markets, bolstering security measures, and keeping an eye on the regulatory environment if it wants to remain competitive and preserve its position. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.